So for this calculation, we are going to be doing long multiplication. Once again, it is presented in a similar way to column addition, column subtraction, or short multiplication, but it's simply called long multiplication because you have got a 2-digit number rather than a 1-digit number. So we're going to start off the same as before, 793 times by 53. And in this case, you need to leave 2 spaces and a gap underneath for the answer. Now, as you're going to be doing 793 multiplied by 53, we might end up reading it as just a 5. So, because it should really be 50 times any of these numbers, you're going to place a 0 here because that is going to be representing the fact that all the answers should really have been 10 times bigger. But to make it easier for us, we're just reading it as 5. So we're going to start off with, same as before, 3 multiplied by 3 is going to be 9. And then the next one is 3 times 9, or 9 times 3 is 27. And then in this case, I'm just going to carry the 2 here so it doesn't get confused with the next question I'm going to do afterwards. So once again, sticking with the 3, 3 times 7, or 7 times 3 is 21. Add the 2 is 23. I'm just going to cross that out, stop any confusion. So I've now got the answer as 23, and I've put it there because there are no more numbers to multiply. Now for the next one, we're going to be looking only at the 5, but the 5 is really a 50, which is why we've got that 0 there, showing the answer should be 10 times bigger. So 5 times 3 is 15, carry the 1, and then 5 times 9 is 45, add 1 is 46, carry the 4, I'm just going to cross that one out because I've used it. 5 times 7 is 35, add 4 is 39. And now you need to add up your 2 answers to find the final answer. So 9 add 0 is 9, 7 add 5 is going to be 12, and I'm just going to carry the 1 underneath this time to stop any confusion. 3 add 6 is 9, add 1 is 10, carry the 1. 2 add 9 is 11, add 1 is 12, carry the 1 again. And 3 add 1 is 4. So the answer to 793 multiplied by 53 is 42,029. So I'm just going to write up here 42,029.